Today we are discuss about inheritance. In inheritance, what is a inheritance, types of inheritance, and what is the use of inheritance. And in this inheritance, what is a derived class, and what is a time conversion and visibility, and what is the use of code reuse. The technique of deriving a new class from old one is called a inheritance. The old class is refers to a base class and new class is refers to a derived class or subclass. Inheritance concept allows the programmer to define a class in terms of another class, which makes creating and maintaining the application easier when creating a new class instead of writing a new data member and member function all over again. Programmer can make a bounding of new class with the old one that a new class should be inherit the member of exiting class. A class can get derived from one or more classes, which mean it can inherit the data and function from multiple base class. It is a syntax of how inheritance is performed in C++. Class derived class colon visibility hyphen mode base class. In this syntax, the visibility mode is used to inheritance of C++ to show or related how base class are viewed with a respect to the derived class. When one class gets inherit from the another, visibility mode is used to inherit all the public and protected members of the base class. Private members never get inherit and hence do not take any part in visibility. But default visibility modes remain private. What are the base class and derived class? Base class, the extending class from which derived class gets inherit is known as a base class. It acts as a parent for its child class and it is all its property. That is, public and protected member get inherit to its derived class. A derived class can be defined by specifying its relationship with a base class in addition to its own details. That is member. The general form of defining a derived class is class derived class name colon visibility mode base class name open it is a member of derived class close the bracket. So what is the different types of inheritance? Here they have forms of inheritance. C++ offers 5 types of inheritance. There are single inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance, also known as a virtual inheritance. In single inheritance, there is only one base class and one derived class. That is only one base class, and A class is a base class, class B is a derived class. There is only one base class and one derived class. The derived class get inherit from its base class. This is a simplest way of inheritance. This is called single inheritance because one base class, one derived class. Multiple inheritance. A single derived class may be inheritance 2 or more base classes. It is called multiple inheritance. A single derived class may be inherited from 2 or more classes. Base class is called a multiple inheritance. Here one of the example program of multiple inheritance. Here we have to declare header file and using the namespace standard class name will be student. Here we have to get the student name and student roll number marks protected. We have to declare here the access visible mode is protected into roll number M1 M2 public. We get void get enter the roll number cin and enter the 2 highest marks and close the main function. After the class extracurriculum protector int xm we have to give update value void guess estimate highest extracurriculum activity cin and class output will be public student public. There are two different that is a meaning of one derived class, two base class. derived class will be output public student with public external to base class in total comma average public void display total equal to m1 plus m2 equal to xm total average equal to total divided by 3, and we close here. Main function we have to declare output. Output means we have to create object for output o get function, o get sm, o get display means this following output will be displayed. Enter the roll number 225, enter the highest mark 3540, enter the mark of extracurricular activity 36, roll number, the output will be displayed like that. Roll number will be 225, total will be 111, average will be 37. In that particular multiple program, they have two base class, one derived class. With the help of that, we have to design this sample execution program. Hierarchical inheritance. In the diagrammatic, a base class is one base class can be inherited from multiple derived class. Here, multiple derived class get inherited from a single base class. Base class here, class A is a base class, class B, class C, class D is a derived class. Here a syntax of hierarchical method. Class base name, base class name is to properties and method, and class derived class colon visibility mode base class class name properties and method. This is because one class name, one base class derived from n derived class, that is called hierarchical method. And fourth one we have to see about multi-level inheritance. The classes can also be derived from classes they already derived. This type of inheritance is called multi-level inheritance. Here class A is already derived by class B is already derived in class C. This is a multi-level inheritance. And fifth one is hybrid inheritance. The hybrid is here. This is a mixture of two or more inheritance, and it is an instance. A code may be containing two or three types of inheritance in a single code. Here class A can be inherited class B, class D can be inherited class A, and class C can be inherited class D. It is a mixture of two or more inheritance, and it is an inheritance. A copy of code contains two or more three types of inheritance in a single code. This is a use of inheritance. Thank you.